Hello everyone, long time no see. Welcome to the Flamingo Crossings apartment. Probably looks different to how it looked in the last video because one day I just decided to rearrange everything and I just needed like a fresh start in my room, so everything is completely different to how it was before, but I actually love it and maybe I'll show you at the end of this video what it looks like now. But anyway, that's besides the point. I've had a day off today. I've had a cozy little shower, that's why my hair is wet. But sometimes after having like a little cozy day, I like to have like a little meditative reflection, make a little video. So that's what I'm doing. Because I used to do this all the time leading up to my CRP. So yeah, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I like to tell my stories and I like to tell you what's going on through this format more so than vlogging. Even though vlogging was fun at the beginning, I much prefer sitting down and having a chat. It's kind of like we're having a little coffee date, like I'm telling you about what's been going on. It's kind of like a little catch up, and this is definitely the format that I prefer more. So this is how I'm going to kind of do like a little 6-month reflection, because we actually are nearing 6 months of me being out here on my program, which is insane because that's like halfway through, and 6 months is a long time, and yet I feel like I've only just got here, but also I know that I haven't because so much has happened. So yeah, I want to thank people first of all for enjoying these videos. I have actually had the chance to meet some new co-workers who did say that they watched my videos like before going out, and that like my literal friends, who are literally my friends, watched my videos and then got a job at Disney World, and now we hang out and we do things together, and it's very surreal. So thank you to those people, and I love you guys. I'm saying this like I can't just say this to you in real life. I will say this to you in real life, but yeah, I'm very grateful for people coming forward and saying that they've appreciated this content. And yeah, I'm gonna get the thank yous out of the way because I don't know, like deep down I'm very proud and excited to share more about what's been going on. So yeah, the last time we caught up I did like a little room tour. I was showing you around Flamingo, and I have been settling more into my little space. I got like a million things from Cast Connections, like loads of cozy Christmassy stuff, and I've, you know, been putting things up around my room to make it more homely. And I think that's something that's so important when it comes to coming out here, is like when I first got here it's like a blank slate, a blank space, and it was not very homey at all, but I can just give you a little look around. Like, it is so cozy in here, and I have been spending a lot of evenings here because I'm kind of at that point in my program where I have a lot of evenings off, and having a space that is cohesive with like relaxation is very nice. And yes, I've been working a lot on getting the space to be as cozy and comfortable as can be, because, you know, being away from home is difficult, and occasionally I'll be like, oh, I miss my animals, I miss my things, I miss my like comforts. Like living in a white room, not my choice. If it was up to me, I would paint these walls like a dark green or something. I'd be living in like my woodsy cottagecore life, but this is what we got to work with. And yes, I would never normally have these big lights on either, but we gotta have it for the video. Actually, I'll show you what it looks like, how I would normally have the room. Hold on. This is kind of the vibe that I would normally be sitting in when I'm in this room, and it's very cozy and very nice. But yeah, it's very important to have a space that is cohesive with relaxation, and that's something that I have done to make myself feel more at home here in Florida. So in terms of things that I've been doing, work is the main thing. Obviously, when you're on the program you work 5 days out of your week and then you get 2 days off, but sometimes you work 6 days a week, or sometimes you just don't want to like go out after working a really long week. And so yeah, I do mostly go to the parks on my days off. I have explored every single one a lot. I found many favorite things, and yeah, like Fantasmic is my favorite show, and I found myself loving going to Animal Kingdom, although I've discovered that Kilimanjaro Safaris always has an insanely long wait and that is one of my favorites. Makes me very sad, but when I do get to ride it I'm very, very appreciative. And Christmas is crazy, and like something I did learn recently is that the weather in Florida can be cold. Coming out here I did bring cold weather clothes because I was told to, but I never realized how cold it would actually be, and I've had some cold nights. I've been wearing my big old coat that looks like I'm from Hogwarts, and that's something I've been learning when I've been out here in the wintertime. And we've done cast events, so in August I went to a big cast event, like an Epcot appreciation, where we got to meet like characters and stuff, exclusive characters. Recently we just did Cosmic Rewind, but it was like an after hours, after work thing where you could ride it just for cast members in your costume, which was crazy. And I think that's one of my favorite memories so far. I think that was absolutely brilliant. I've seen loads of movies. I've seen Moana 2 recently. I've seen Mufasa literally yesterday. So it's been nice to explore Springs and do that side of things. I went to Gatorland and went on a zip wire, which was kind of just me being like, I miss doing the zip wires at work, so I wanted to have a go. So that's what I did. I did the little zip wire. And yeah, other than that, it's just been a lot of eating at the festivals. That has been literally 90% of what I've done, is going to the festivals, going to Epcot, and I know that I work at Epcot, but that has been a lot of what I've been up to. But yeah, if you want to see like more detailed stuff of like my day-to-day life, then I would recommend my Instagram, because I post a lot of stories literally every day of everything that I'm doing, and it could be anything from like, today I made a gingerbread house because I wanted to, because I was just trying to do something relaxing and like just quiet but not screen based, so that's what I did today. And I'll get a little bit more onto what I did today as well, but I would like to warn my girlfriend Daisy not to watch probably the remainder of this video, because it will spoil some surprises, but I want to share, so you can watch this after you come. And on that note, let me turn the main light back on. The exciting thing that is happening that I definitely wanted to make a video about is that my girlfriend is coming out in 9 days, and she definitely sprung it upon me last minute, but you know what, it's in full Daisy fashion and I am extremely excited. I had to frantically book some hotels, but I found some hotels, and even though it's like the Run Disney weekend and all this crazy stuff going on, I managed to organize it. I managed to get the days off, even though I didn't have the days off either, so it's all magically come together. We love this. It's Disney magic. I'm very excited. It's gonna be Daisy's first time coming, and I would like to, like I said, I would like to maybe vlog a little bit of it, maybe film some clips or just some moments. It won't be like, you know, 40-minute vlogs or anything like that, but I would like to film some moments of her first time at Disney World, and I'm excited to share it with all of you guys. But yeah, if you guys, before I get into that, by the way, if you guys have any questions about like my job, or like what I'm doing out here, or what I do in my day-to-day life, or like just anything, any burning questions about the CLP, please do leave them below, because I would love to answer them. Again, this is hugely rambly and I'm not actually telling you much about what's been going on, because truthfully it's just going to work, going to the parks and playing with my friends, going to work, going to watch the movies, going to work. It's just like a long vacation. One thing I have done though, before I get into the whole Daisy thing, is I have been obsessed with pin collecting recently and doing pin trading. So this is my pin box, the ones that I'm keeping. So if anyone would like a video on that, please let me know, because I feel like that could be fun, but I don't know if anyone's interested. But that is something I have been doing a lot. Anyway, so Daisy is coming in 9 days, as I said, and I have been planning a little bit of a surprise today, and I just wanted to share, honestly, because to give you guys inspiration. I want to get you guys as excited as I am, so that you can follow me on my Instagram and see what we're up to, because I'm going to share lots of it. But yeah, that has been my mission today, has been to go around all the resorts that we're staying at and collect some goodies, so that I could basically make a little goodie bag, or like lay it out on the bed and give her a little gift, because one, it's been Christmas and this is her Christmas gift as well, and two, it's gonna be her birthday just before she comes out. She's gonna be turning 26. I'm 27, but I'm getting towards 28 now, which is crazy. But yeah, so let me show you what I got for her. This is kind of like a mini haul at the same time. So with my pin trading, I have specifically been looking out for Daisy's favorite characters. So that's going to be the Toy Story aliens, Groot and Grogu. So I guess like They're very green characters, very woodsy, earthy characters. Definitely suits my Capricorn, but yes. So these are the pins that I collected. These are ones that I've saved specifically for Daisy. So I got her little Toy Story alien. I got this one that says The Force, which is funny because the reason why I was waiting for her to let me know when she was coming out is because she was waiting on news for a new job in the Force. Maybe you're picking up what I'm putting down. So there you go. We also have Groot with a flower, which I've saved this one since like July or August when I first got here because my friend Elliot traded this one with me, and I've kept it ever since because that's one of the first ones that I got for her. And then I also got this little Popo Mickey. Another clue as to why she might be coming out here. Tee-hee-hee. Cryptic, I know. Anyway, I also got her this, which I'm so glad that I found this because I saw it online on the Disney store, but for some reason on the Disney store you can't get like the same discount that you can get in person, and we have a 40% discount right now as cast members, and I really wanted to get that on this specific magic band, and I went to the place where I thought that they would have it, and I've not seen it in any other shop, but I got this in the Disney Springs Pin Traders shop, and I'm ridiculously excited that I found it because this is the exact one that I was looking for. But it is this first visit magic band, and I thought it'd be nice to have a magic band for the first time so she can like tap into the hotel rooms, and that we could like tap into the parks and stuff, and it's just all there on the magic band. She can even use it for her card if she wanted to, but yeah, it's just very Disney, very like exciting. I love a magic band, so that's what I got her. I also have my own one too, which is this one, this rainbow magic band, which of course I love as well. I love the magic band. So yeah, the adventure that I went on today involved going to all 4 resorts that we're going to be staying at. So we are going to be staying at, in order, Coronado Springs. So I went there and got the map today. I also went to just scout them out as well. Like I kind of wanted to have a look around before we stayed there. We're also staying at Port Orleans Riverside in the Royal Guest Rooms, which is exciting. We're staying at Animal Kingdom Lodge in the Savannah View Rooms, which I'm very excited for. That is my favorite resort. And then finally, for one night, we're staying at the Poly in a water view room, so I'm very excited. Yeah, so we have a preferred room in Coronado, we have a Royal Guest Room in Riverside, a Savannah View in Animal Kingdom Lodge, and a water view in the Polynesian. Again, because there weren't many hotel rooms left, so I had to improvise, but yeah, it all worked out in the end because we got some really cool hotel rooms. And so for each of those maps, I also got a pin for each of the resorts because my girlfriend loves collecting pins, hence me getting these ones. These are going to be added to her little pin board, but they're all her favorites. So I got the Polynesian one, I got the Riverside one. I went to all of these resorts individually. I know that they probably sell them in like a pin shop somewhere, but I liked the adventure of going around all the resorts. I thought it was kind of fun to do. Then I also got the Coronado Springs one, which looks like this, and the Animal Kingdom Lodge one, which I also love. I think I'm most excited to stay at Animal Kingdom Lodge. If it will focus. Doesn't like that one, does it? Hello. There we go. So yeah, I'm very excited for that one. I also went and got her a first visit button because you can't have a first visit without a first visit button. And then this is something I got from Cast Connections a while ago that I've been saving, but it's a Groot t-shirt with his little face in the corner, which I'm very excited about. And then the last thing I'm extremely jealous of, but it is this 2025 Disney World hoodie, and I thought, why not commemorate the, you know, first time that she's coming here and the year that she came here with this like literally beautiful hoodie. Literal beautiful. I will steal this. I tried it on, it's so soft, it's so classic. This just reminds me of like all the old Disney stuff from when I was a kid, when it, like 2004 when I first came. Like this is the same sort of style and I love it, and I'm so excited to give it to her. I think she will love it too. It's one of her favorite colors, blue, so fingers crossed. But yeah, that's all the stuff that I got. I'm very excited for her to come, and yeah, I didn't know if anyone would be visiting me while I was here because nobody made a plan before I left. So I was just like, okay, maybe see you in a year, but it's just such a pleasant surprise. And my sister is also coming at some point as well. She's like 99% sure. It's just, you know, life happens, so you're never 100% sure, but she is like pretty sure that she's coming as well, so I'm very, very excited about that. But yeah, that has been life at the moment. Lots of playing in the parks, lots of working. I also became a trainer, so I have been training lots of new cast members. I've been doing that for like 2.5 months, almost 3 I think, and I've got my little trainer badge too, which lives on this little tray. And yeah, I think after Daisy leaves, I'm going to be going into service, which means I'm going to be a server at the Rose and Crown, so that is insane. I have been working at the fish and chip shop and the beer cart and seeing people in the restaurant and like stocking around the UK Pav at the moment, and that has been a lot of fun. And I do have my moments where I just look back and I'm like, whoa, this is crazy, I work here. But yeah, anyway, so service is in my future and lots of big things are happening. But yeah, if you want to catch up, just follow my Instagram stories and my Instagram posts, and I basically post everything that I do. Like I pretty much post every time I do something exciting, like I went to Celebration, see the Christmas stuff, you know, very merry, Mickey's Not So Scary, all that stuff. I post all the pictures for those on my Instagram, so if you want to see like the day-to-day things, it's there. And yeah, thank you for following along. Again, thank you for enjoying my little ramble. I just wanted to get some things off my chest, so yeah. But yeah, I am enjoying life. I'm enjoying everything. I feel like I'm really pushing myself in a lot of ways, and yeah, I'm excited to see what's going to happen next. But thank you for following along, and let me know if you have any questions, because I'd love to answer them. I just don't know what to talk about. Like, what do people want to know? Tell me, because I'll answer your questions. Okay, anyway, have a good night, have a good day, have a good time zone. Bye bye.